I see your paper tiger. I sussed you and said goodbye, yeah.
Me and you together. That's it. Back home.
足球回赠给市体育局，我们也会永久保。
I'd like to say thank you for the reception and the welcome you gave us. I think the support's been brilliant and we all enjoy playing in front of you.
From the Chinese Wales Fan Group Club.
I think it's been amazing, honestly. They've been so welcoming. There's such a sense of fun about them. They're playful, engaging. I love travelling away with Wales. It's an amazing experience. The camaraderie and everything else.
The reception we received already is immense.
What a city! It's
Unbelievable place.
Absolutely amazing.
We have like the Wilson and Bale, Pat Woodburn up front as well. We probably could get a couple of goals. So.
I knew there'd be a chance I'd be playing on my 21st, and to cap it off with a goal and a great win is perfect.
Fantastic for me to break the record on a personal note. The most important thing was the performance, and to win the manager's first game, put a good performance on, and a good show for the fans.